want to tighten this all the way into it.
Right. There we go. Right.
Okay, the starter is just go until it just touches. Is that shaft mount unbinded?
Yes.
Wish it went in like it's supposed to this time. That works a lot for you now. Could use a little more lube on that. Yeah, whatever.
We'll put some lube on it once we know we
Oh,
got
look
it
at that.
right.
It goes in there like it's supposed to.
Yeah. All right, pull it back out. Put a little lube on it. I'll shove it back in there. Too late, too late.
Now we got some threads. Alright. You get a real small wrench for that?
That was quarter, right? I believe it was.
It's pretty small.
Coda.
This was 14-inch universal pliers. What are you filming over there?
A quarter. It's not quarter.
It's less than quarter? How about
Moss.
5/16?
Moss. It's moss.
How about 5/16?
Live moss. Live moss with 5/16.
Yeah, it still rotates too. That's a good sign. What size is it?
5/16.
Okay. Where are your channel locks? Wind her up. Electric star is not working. Winding it up.
So you want channel locks? Like these?
Yeah, those are channel locks. Well, I don't know. Mine are channel locks. I don't know what yours are.
What do you grab?
That gear. Just like that. Oh, it holds it. Don't break the screw off.
How tight is it?
It's only a little 10 screw. You tell me how much you want to break it off. It's up to
I'm
you.
gonna call it right there.
Okay, there's a lock tab right there too. Look at that. Not quite on it though.
So we're gonna move just a...
Snap.
Yeah, would it? That's how it goes too, right?
Yeah, that's how it goes. Don't keep tightening up
That
too
makes me
much.
happy.
Okay, now you take your channel locks you got in your hand and you bend the tab over with it. Oh, look at that. It's a 2-for-1 tool. Amazing.
Woo!
Amazing how that worked, huh?
Woo!
And it still goes in and out like it's supposed to, and it still spins. It only spins one way. What's wrong with it? It's broken. Okay, we need a bunch of hardware. You can put a little Loctite on your stuff. You're gonna use lock tabs. What's the plan?
Tripod to get you, huh?
You got 3 long ass ones.
We're gonna Loctite it. So what do you like to red them? Is that what you do?
I don't use red.
You do it?
If you use Loctite, use blue. How many screws you have? It's tabs. You got 5 tabs.
Okay.
You got 7 bolts. 4 in the front, 3 in the back. One rusty one's on the
So
outside.
this has got to be this guy, right? Most likely. Probably something, maybe the bottom one. He's probably
The
not
bottom
something
one.
like that, huh? You can at least kind of try to hide him.
How about some washers and stuff on that so you don't screw up the material? You got a handful of used washers floating around or new ones? There's going to be a bolt underneath for ground wire, I'm assuming. You got this fancy spacer here. Looks like it's custom made because it's not straight.
Custom made, custom page, custom thing.
Ooh, look at this nice snap ring assortment. Where'd you get this?
What?
You got another set already? Or are these the same junk ones?
She's gonna bring that up, you know?
Sure, why not? You have it in front of me. I need some more grease too for this. We need to load this up again so we can lube your thing.
Well, I had some. Alright, this is not as good as my slick. Oh, this is gonna be anything that you want to see.
This looks like the snap ring assortment. It's
This
quality.
This is pretty lonely.
That's the stuff you throw in the dumpster.
This is pretty lonely.
I would throw the whole thing in the trash. This is worthless. We're looking for flat washers anyway. These are for the clutch because they're metric.
Sure.
This lock washer has been over tightened. See how it's
I know where
stuck?
these go. These belong here.
Mhm.
Okay.
There's two of them.
What do you see?
Exhaust bracket. Nice big heavy duty washers.
So I'll just put these in here. We don't have to worry about finding them again.
These are going to be primary screws here. This is short.
You'll be there when we come find them.
These are longer ones here. Three different lengths. Three different lengths. Great. Fancy flat washer. Usually that goes under an Allen of some type. Alright, we should have some kind of a washer underneath the head of these bolts here. They're outside. These ones here are going to use these as the flat washer. So we got 3 for there. And you got 2 on the inside. So we're covered here, and these must be for the outside because you got 2 of them. Put them on the outside. You want lock washers for them? Here's lock washers.
How do you feel about lock washers?
I don't like them because I over torque them. But if you want to use them, use them. I use Loctite, but you can put those on there.
Yeah, I use Loctite on all these bolts.
But you might run out. You might need those for your kickstand though, because they probably go with these 2 bolts over here because they're the same color.
Yep. Yep. All those yeps.
Yep, 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 yep.
Yippity yep, 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 yep.
And then there's going to be a ground wire on the bottom of the frame that takes some kind of a bolt of some type. I have no idea what that's for. Alright, let's Loctite these up. Get your little lucky tabs in there. Is that purple? Look how thick that crap is. What are you doing the primary cover screws?
Well, because I Loctite those in every time.
No wonder they don't want to work. Where's your 2 bolts for the front that you didn't do? How about these 2 right here?
Really grody looking ones.
You lose that? Scrody or grody?
A little bit of both.
I don't know what grody is. What scrody is.
We'll hide this. Beautiful.
Oh, I know what this bolt's for. That was the exhaust bolt.
This beautiful hardware down here.
Oh, and where's this bracket go?
Oh, we need a.
Was that supposed to be up here on the starter?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir.
No, I didn't put that in there.
It's got to go on.
Not really.
Yeah, because it's the bracket that holds the exhaust.
Well, you don't need the exhaust on this side. You don't need one side. This side doesn't do anything anyway.
So just get rid of one.
Just
Yeah. Just
put a real.
Just.
Get rid of the ugly ass pipes in the bike. Put some nice on there. You probably steal a set off that bike over there.
Beautiful screaming eagle.
There's probably a set you can steal off somewhere around here. You can steal.
Dyno proven.
Dyno my butt.
Guaranteed to add 20 horse to whatever you put it on.
That's right.
Just bolt it on and start smoking, guys.
Look at
Light to light, buddy.
You're smoking your bank account. If you're smoking your bank account, what they're going to be doing. Here, put that on there. Put it in there where it belongs. The tab goes around the corner.
Yup.
The tab goes around the corner.
All right, yup.
The 90-degree tab goes around the corner.
Yup.
The other one's a bendable tab.
I think that's where that one goes.
What bike is this anyway?
There's something wrong. This one maybe goes over here like these. Makes more sense.
You like I told you to do it? Oh, imagine that.
Oh no, it's like some sort of monster. It sounds dangerous. Whatever it is. Sounds big and dangerous. Oh, dangerous. Can't let Tatro put his hands on it. He gets mad and throws his wrench on the ground. He don't like it.
That's right. Yeah, you went to buy a new one.
I did buy a new one. Lifetime warranty.
Well, I fixed it good. I got rid of that one.
If you watched any of the last videos and the last road turn, don't get mad and threw it on the fire. Don't you put that in the toolbox ever again!
Dude, that thing was a dumpster. He dove it out and stole it. What are you filming?
I don't like the way that feels.
Are you filming my shoulder? Is there any video going on at all that last hour?
Do we have different sizes of these?
What?
These. Are these all the same size?
I think they're all the same length. Why?
Just felt like she was getting a little tight going in there.
How much thread you got? Oh, you got a ½ inch of thread. Yeah, it's right length.
Okay. Oh, dangerous.
Something nasty in there, didn't like you?
I don't like, no, I do not like that. Something got it in there.
Pretty good.
Somebody.
Not the bolt. If you're gonna put your back in front of the camera, you should at least put a Tatro shirt on.
Alright. Okay.
Alright, we gotta pull the whole thing off.
Well, I'm going to pull it out and make sure they're all the same size. At least.
They are. Are you cross-threading it? How far did you get in?
They're all the same size.
Mm-hmm.
Do we have something tightened down on here?
Did it start at all, or what's the problem?
Yeah, it starts. But it just feels like I'm going to punch it through something, you know?
The starter's just touching the gasket surface, it's not tight. The primer's on dowel, so it's in the right spot. It ain't moving. We know we blew all the holes out, so it ain't full of crap.
I don't like the way it feels.
It's a cross thread. Pull it up. Take the jack shaft bolt off too, the one you were torquing to the lockjaw one.
Okay. Let's put them on. And that shouldn't affect it, right? You can move it because that's on this.
It's not tight, it's something on the Volvo. It's been cross-threaded. You can try to get the start in a different location, but it's pitching the wrong spot, but now it's been running a couple times. It's probably permanently in there until you coat it. Just had to come out of the image, put on your plate.
We're going to pull the whole inner primary.
Yeah, I think that can work.
So something just doesn't feel right. I don't know the other day.
Yep, back up, take 2 steps back, fix it, come back and do it correctly. Been doing better today.
Oh, the joys of working on motorcycles. I pretend like it is. This is as much fun as riding them to me a lot of times. Until it's not. And I want to break something.
Right.
That happens a lot.
Okay, this is all. Got that bracket.
I'm sorry?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You know which way this goes? You go like that, or you go like this roll?
No, it looks like, I'm guessing it goes like that. That looks right to me.
Nope, there's no way it's gonna bolt. That's why that 2-star washer's on the side. These holes line up,
Yeah.
the other ones don't. So.
Okay. So there's a star on the back side of that to dig, huh?
Yeah, give me that slate over there, give me one. The groundwater's on the last thing. It's
Yes,
on the
sir.
inside.
I'll get you.
We got to pull a little spark.
Yep.
I'm just going to put the bolt in the hole that I'm doing there. Do it again. We're going to be doing a lot of work lately.
Tatro, it's only because you're in my garage, and that's kind of the way we do it around here.
Pretty much.
Yeah, it's kind of the way life goes. Five 5/16 section, have it ran off. Oh, yeah.
Forgot about those, didn't
Oh,
you?
man. I would have forgot if I'd have done that just like 2 or 3 minutes ago. But it's been much longer than that.
It's been at least 15 minutes.
I almost forgot my lefty loosey righty tighty there for a second. Did you see that? I had to slow down and like process for My mom thinks I'm amazing. For all you people out there, like, dumbass.
You are.
Hi, Mom.
She ain't watching. She's part of the 2% that watch my videos. Mine would be 1%. It's taking so long.
Well, there we go. Ooh, it's kind of juicy.
There we go. Pull the front shaft out for me.
Get another one of this. It was this low guy that was giving us trouble, right?
Yeah, go give me a towel.
I'm sorry, what size?
5/16, 18.
5/16, 18.
They look a little screwed up, but not too bad. The problem is getting it to start again. It definitely crossed already. Definitely got issues. Ugh. But there's still threads there, that's a good sign, but the problem is they're in the wrong spot. When you cross something, you reform them to a different thing, so it makes them hard to start. You can see how the first 3 are one angle, and that changes completely to a different angle. That's the different thread pinch you're looking at. So that's the problem right there. Camera doesn't like that hole. There it is. Get right in there. How close can we get them thread holes before people don't like it? Right up in there. Alright, well anyway, we're going to have to re-tap that one. See, these holes up here are okay. See how they're all straight like they're supposed to be? This one over here is the one that's not. Alright, so I have to fix those. Ugh. Alright, we'll be back. He's digging up tools.